Hello guys, good morning. This is Ram. Welcome to PVR Info channel. In previous class, we have discussed about LSRW and listening and speaking. I explained you already. Now reading skills and writing skills. These both are there. Now writing skills, I am going to explain you now. Writing skills. This is the productive skill. Productive skills also called active skills. Writing skills are one of the main important skills in communication skills. Now in these writing skills, by using only writing skills, we can make a client impress. Means lot of software companies are there. Everything is they are doing under email conversation. Here writing skills means not only about handwriting. We have to follow letters also, letter writing, email writing, drafts and everything. We have to follow this. In this, we have to follow some pattern so that we can easily make the listeners attract and interest. First point, we have to maintain proper headings. Second one, subheadings. Third one, if you use any charts or bar graphs, we can make understand the person very easily. If you are giving some dramatic some diagrams, pie charts or any graphs are there, we can make the readers very understandable. Right? Here the listener should get very interest. So that's what we have to follow some easy and interesting points. And these letters and emails should be reader friendly. We have to think, like one writer should think in reader's point of view. If we are thinking about in reader point of view, then we can easily write the letters or stories or anything very easily. If you take any example, movie stories. Movie stories means they took only some tagline, some other sentiment movie or love stories or something. They took only some tagline, small line they took, and after that they used to make it elaborate. Here audience pulse is very important. Everybody follows this only. Audience pulse. We have to think in audience pulse. Here audience pulse is writing script. While writing script, we have to think in audience point of view. If you put any movies, if you take any movies example only, in this comedy, if you put more, it will be disaster. If you put more songs, like any different way, that is also it will be. If you put more sentiment, that is also. So everything should be in a equal way, in equal percentage. Then only we can make the listeners or readers very interesting. Lot of readers, they follow their own style. And here handwriting also makes vital role here. Handwriting, we have to follow good handwriting. And headings, subheadings, charts also, and conclusion should be very good. Conclusion, the ending should be very good. And some people, they follow only highlights. And in these writing skills, note making is important. Note making. One more example here. If you take any journalist, reporters, news reporters or some people are there. They are going for any speech from the live program or something. Here any KCR or any Narendra Modi speech or something, they used to go there. There Narendra Modi talks very fastly and very clearly. They cannot write everything, the reporters, so that they can easily write the note making. That means highlight points. Highlights. We have to follow the highlight points very well, so that we can make the audience very clear way. And next one, we have to use some bullet points or stars, numbering for the points. For differ the text. One point we can easily differ from that. These are the points we have to follow in writing skills. Okay, thank you so much. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel PVR Info. Okay, tomorrow I will let you know about reading skills. Okay, thank you.